Hello, everyone. This is Ben again. Welcome to Benny Codex and Fun with Object Recognition. All right. Well, the last video, basically, I got my media to run correctly, but then we were concerned about the object recognition um, code properly finding the moving people in the video and keeping track of them from frame to frame, which was not so good. I'll give you a little refresher memory, or maybe you didn't see the last video, so I'll just play it for you. As you can see, we have some object recognition going on, and it's only supposed to capture the people in the video, the people who are moving, such as the people right here who are crossing the street, or maybe a little kid right here who's dancing. He has a friend with him who's not moving so much, so if it didn't catch him, I would understand why. But there's lots of areas here, like catching the car and the post and the soda machine and stuff like that, and that's not what it was supposed to do, right? So the goal was to actually improve that. So what I did somewhat improve it, but I'm going to show you. All right, if you can refer to older videos, you would know that I shared code with you. And there was a line in the code here where we did a closing, even though this says a plot opening here in the notes part. But as you can see, we are doing the CV2 dot morphology, right? And we're doing a morph close here. It's called, and we have a mask, a 4x4 ones mask that's labeled closed, right? So, and even though it says opening here and open here, I think that was a typo in the lab, or maybe it's something I don't understand. And if I don't understand it, I will just explain it in another video. But for now, we're going to call this a closing, right? Because, you know, as you can see, this command, the CV2, this open CV command right here, right? Obviously, it's closing. Okay, so um, that was what the lab was. That's what was appropriate to use in the footage that was given to us along with the lab last semester. But I played around with it a little myself, right? And I'm gonna comment this code out, and I'm going to comment, uncomment the code that I just created that um, makes the code a little uh put it this way, with this with the instead of doing the closing, I did opening, right? And I increased the size of the kernel that we use to do the opening, the kernel window size, from 4x4 to 8x8. I still left it a ones in all. And the name of the new kernel is, kernel mask kernel, same thing. So I may use those terms interchangeably. So I'm going to change the name of the kernel or mask to mask that open fg mask openness instead of fg mask close, right there, right? So I'm going to do that right here, and I did that, right? So with this, I want to show you what the outcome of the video is. It's the object recognition is way better with this opening than the closing. And in the next video, I want to show you exactly why that is and how I did that. But what I'm saying is it's not perfect, right? But it's way better. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Here we go. Now, before, remember, it caught soda machines and police cars and all. But as you can see here, no, it actually is catching just the people who are moving, just the people. Even though it's not catching my dancing friend here, which means I'm probably gonna have to play with a little more, get it a little better. But as you can see, it's not catching any of this other random things that it was catching before. It's catching just the people who are moving. Um, I would rather have this box be around the entire person instead of just parts of their bodies, right? And I think that's what I want to do now. I'm going to basically edit this and get this better so it can catch more pieces of these people who are moving here and actually catch my little dancing friend here. But as you can see, this is a way better tracking mechanism. The tracking is way better in with that change I made to the code than it was in the last video when it was catching just all types of random things. Right now, it's only catching the people who are moving. Right, you can see it's catching them different groups and everything. So that's pretty cool because we made some progress. So but there's more to go. So just please check back later, and I shall have more updates to follow. So hope you learned something because I'm learning things. Have a good day.